Welcome to Simple Adobe. Add clip to your timeline and make copy of that clip and place on upper layer. Select upper clip and go to effect control. Select pen tool under opacity and mask the object. After masking, decrease the value of mask feather and mask opacity. To add bluish effect, add color made of blue color between two layers. And also mask the color mate over object. Now nest both upper layers. Drag line upwards for change opacity value. Add 2 points with pen tool like shown in video. Add keyframe on position where you want to animate and change the value. And where you want to end animation, also decrease the opacity and reset the position.